Welcome to another Lavel Claytor's Projects with a Purpose. In this episode, what I want to do, I want to talk to you about the screen recorder that is built inside of Microsoft PowerPoint. So if I go to the Record tab, I have a screen recording. If I click on it, what it allows me to do is decide how much of the area of the screen I want to record. And then I could decide if I want to use the audio or if I want to use the pointer. I'm going to just go ahead and click record. Okay, I'm going to go back. And so say I want to talk about my new book that's coming out, which is going to be PowerPoint 2019 Comprehensive. And then I kind of talk about all the different areas that are a part of the book. And then I might go to a page like a step-by-step, how to do an autosave. And then once I'm done, then what I could do is go up to the top of the screen and see how the menu hovers. I can go ahead and click the stop button. And then what it does right here, it pops a video in. And if I click play, okay. And then also what I can do, I can write this is save this as media. So I can click. And then this is a media file. I'm just going to call it test run. Oops, sorry. Okay, and then hit save. And then I can go ahead and delete it. And then if I need to call it up, I can go to my insert tab. Media group, click the down arrow for video, and I can do this device and then see how I have the test run. And then I can go ahead and hit insert, and then here's the video that I actually created. Now I will say the disadvantage of this is that it records the screen, but it doesn't provide editing software. If I was in on my internet, give me a second to open, and let me just kind of go into media. Okay, and then let me pause this a little bit. Okay, let me scroll down, and I'm going to pause. Okay, so I can also record this screen as well. So when I go back to PowerPoint, oh, here it is. Okay, so record is also available in your insert tab, your media group, click on screen recording. And then what you could do is go ahead and draw the area that you want to record. Let me try that again. My mouse is sticking. And then I can go ahead and hit record. And it's going to record the screen for the internet. And I can scroll down and I can say, hey, welcome to Lavel Claytor's Projects with a Purpose. Here are some of the videos that are available for you to be able to peruse. You can sort it by the most popular, or you can sort it by the oldest. It just depends on what you want to look at. There are some shorts sitting in here as well. So if I scroll down, there's just like some very shorts that you may be able to learn a new skill from. There's not many, but I plan to add many more. And then once I'm done, I can go ahead and move my mouse up to the top of the screen and click stop, and then see how it records it. Okay, let me stop that. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you found this helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have an amazing day.